Question number 51. Purine and pyrimidines belongs to which categories? Options A. Neither base nor acid. Option B. Acid only. Option C. Base only. Option D. Both base and acid. Correct answer is option C. Base only. Then question number 52. In this, a plant with desired trait is crossed with a plant that does not have the desired traits but has several other traits is option A hybrid breeding, option B inbreeding, option C back crushing, option D mutation breeding. The correct answer is option C back crushing. Then question number 53. Triticals is a new crop which is produced by cross between option A wheat and raffinus, option B wheat and rye, option C wheat and rice, option D wheat and mustard. The correct answer is option B wheat and rye. The scientific name of wheat is Triticum aestivum and the scientific name of rye is sickle cereals. So this triticals comes from combination of two words. Uh, tritic, tritic comes from triticum and cals comes from sickles. Then question number 54. In question number 54. The capacity of water to move is defined by its water potential, which is denoted by psi, comes from which alphabets? Option A Greek, option B Sanskrit, option C Roman, option D Latin. The correct answer is option A Greek. Then question number 55. In a lichen, phycobient is related to which part of the plant kingdom? Phycobient means algae. Option A Pteridophyta, option B fungi, option C algae, option D bryophyta. The correct answer is option C algae. Then question number 56. Which organisms behave as denitrifying bacteria? Option A Nitrococcus, option B Azotobacter, option C Pseudomonas, option D Nitrosomonas. The correct answer is option C Pseudomonas. Option C Pseudomonas. Then question number 57. Adventative embryos developed from which part of the ovule? Option A synergid, option B antipodal cell, option C endosperm, option D nucellus. The correct answer is option D nucellus. Then question number 58. The main plant body of a bryophyte is haploid. It produces gametes, hence it is called as option A xerophytes, option B halophytes, option C hydrophytes, option D gametophytes. The gametophytes are haploid in nature. Then question number 59. Saprolaginosis is a disease caused by Saprolegnia parasitica. It affects which of the following organum? Option A frog, option B fish, option C snake, option D insect. Correct answer is option B fish. Then question number 60. A disease caused by the contamination of drinking water with high concentration of nitrate is option A blue baby syndrome, option B Minamata disease, option C Ita disease, option C scurvy. The correct answer is option A blue baby syndrome. Then question number 61. Oswald Avery, Pauline MacLeod, and Maclean McCree repeated which scientific experiment? Option A Griffith experiment, option B Hershey and Chase experiment, option C Michelson and Stark experiment, option D Miller experiment. Correct answer is option A Griffith experiment. Question number 62. International Code of Nomenclature for Algae, Fungi and Plant, that is the Shenzhen Code, adopted by the which International Botanical Congress, Shenzhen, China, July 2017. Option A 16, option B 17, option C 18, option C 19. The correct answer is option D 19. Then question number 63. Water potential is denoted by the Greek symbol Option A psi, option B zeta, option C pi, option C epsilon. Correct answer is option A psi. Then question number 64. Which of the following are also called amphibians of the plant kingdom? Option A gymnosperm, option B pteridophytes, option C bryophytes, option D thallophytes. The correct answer is option C bryophytes. Bryophytes are called amphibians of the plant kingdom. Then question number 65. How many microspore produced by a single microsporangium in Marsilia? Option A 32 to 64, option B 80 to 16, option C 2 to 4, option D 4 to 8. Correct answer is option A 32 to 64. Then question number 66. Which lichen used as food for reindeer and cattle? Option A Lecanora saxicola, option B Umbilicaria esculentus, option C Aspicilia calcarea, option D Cladonia rangiferina. The correct answer is option D Cladonia rangiferina. Then question number 67. Cyclosis is the flow of cytoplasm inside the cell driven by forces from the option A plasma membrane, option B cytoskeleton, option C ribosome, option D cell wall. The correct answer is option B cytoskeleton. The movement of cytoplasm is called cyclosis. Then question number 68. Pneumoconiosis is a lung disease which is caused by water. Option B dust. Option C chlorofluorocarbon. Option D nitric oxide. The correct answer is option B dust. Then question number 69. Who among the following coined the term smog? Option A Dr. Henry Antonides Works. Option B Raymond Lindemann. Option C Edwin Odum. Option D Arthur Tansley. The correct answer is option A. Then question number 17. Question number 70. Cloverleaf model for yeast analyl tRNA transfer RNA was first proposed by option A Robert William Halley, option B Frederick Griffith, option C Martha Chase, option D Alfred Hershey. The correct answer is option A Robert William Halley. Question number 71. Which of the following is an example of a man-made ecosystem? Option A pond, option B aquarium, option C forest, option D lake. The correct answer is option B aquarium. Man-made ecosystem example, other examples are crop field, aquarium, etc. Then question number 72. Which of the following sequence of double-stranded DNA known as palindrome? The correct answer is option C is the correct answer. Then question number 73. The most common solidifying agent used in micropropagation is option A sodium hypochlorite, option B agar, option C ethanol, option D oxygen. The correct answer is option B agar. Then question number 74. Each stomata consists of a pore surrounded by two kidney-shaped or dumbbell-shaped structure known as option A guard cell, option B subsidiary cell, option C epidermal cell, option D companion cell. The correct answer is option A guard cell. Then question number 75. Read the following statement and choose the correct option. Op- uh, 1. The direction of movement of organic solute in phloem is bidirectional. The direction of movement of substances in xylem is always unidirectional. So both are true. The correct answer is option B. 1 and 2 are true. Then question number 76. Oxygen was isolated from the tip of coleoptile of oat seedling by Option A, Gregor Mendel. Option B, F. W. Wendt. Option C, E. Kurosawa. And option D, F. Skoog. The correct answer is option B, F. W. Wendt. Then, question number 77. Tyloses are outgrowth which are coming out from the parenchyma cell of option A, xylem vessel, option B, xylem parenchyma, option C, sieve tubes, option D, companion cells. The correct answer is option A, xylem vessels. Then question number 78. Chromatin contain DNA and some basic proteins called option A, centromere, option B, satellites, option D, histones, option D, kinetochore. The correct answer is option C, histone. Histone protein absent in bacterial DNA. Then question number 79. Synzospore is a asexual mode of reproduction in Baucaria. It contains how many flagella? Option A, triflagellate, option B, multiflagellate, option C, uniflagellate, option D, biflagellate. The correct answer is option B, multiflagellate. Then question number 80. Unit membrane concept was proposed by J. David Robinson in 1959. According to this concept, unit membrane is made up of how many layers? Option A 1, option B 3, option C 2, option D 4. The correct answer is option B 3. Then question number 81. There are plants for which flowering is either quantitatively or qualitatively depend on exposure to low temperature. This phenomenon is termed as option A, venalization, option B, transpiration, option C, photosynthesis, option D, photoperiodism. The correct answer is option A, venalization. Then question number 82. A mat used during summer for cooling air prepared from which from which part of Vetiveria zizanians? Option A, leaf, option B, stem, option C, root, option D, flower. The correct answer is option C, roots. Then question number 83. The enzyme nitrogenase is highly sensitive to the molecular oxygen. To protect this enzyme, the nodule contain an oxygen scavenger called option A, nitrite, option B, nitrogen, option C, leg hemoglobin, option D, urea. The correct answer is option C, leg hemoglobin. Then question number 84. Which of the following phloem component at maturity possesses a peripheral cytoplasm and a large vacuole but lack a nucleus? Option A, phloem parenchyma, option B, sieve element, option C, bast fiber, option D, phloem fiber. The correct answer is option B, sieve element. Then question number 85. The angiosperm phylogeny group or APG referred to an informal international group of which discipline? Option A, entomologist, option B, geologist, option C, systematic botanist, option D, seismologist. The correct answer is option C, systematic botanist. Then question number 86. Nikolai Ivanovich Vavilov, a Russian scientist, studied the distribution of cropland throughout the world and suggested how many regions of the world as the center of origin of the cropland. Options are 8, option B 6, option C 7, option D 9. First they proposed to 8 classified into 8, then next 11. There are 8 center of origin and 3 subsidiary center, so total 11 center of origin of the cropland. Then question number 87. Question number 87. A unit formed by the attachment of a base to first prime position of sugar is known as nucleoli. Option B, chromatin. Option C, nucleoside. Option D, nucleotide. The correct answer is option C, nucleoside. Then, question number 88. Read the following statement and choose the correct option. Option A, phylogenetic system of classification was given by Engler and Prantay. 2 number natural system of classification was given by Bentham and Hooker. The both are true. The correct answer is option C. 1 and 2 are true. Question number 89. Poxynia gramini belongs to which division? Option A. Poxynials. Option B. Poxyniaceae. Option C. Basidiomycota. Option D. Poxyniomycetes. Correct answer is option C. Basidiomycota. Then question number 90. Who among the following proved in 1941 that our genetic code, our genes, govern the formation of enzyme? Option A. Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. Option B. Noel and Ruska. Option C. Hargobind Khurana and James Watson. Option D. Biddle and Tatum. The correct answer is option D. Biddle and Tatum. Then question number 91. Certain amino acids are identified by more than one codon. This phenomenon is known. This phenomenon is called option A commalessness, option B non-overlapping, option C universality, option D degeneracy. The correct answer is option D degeneracy. Then question number 92. James Watson and Francis Crick constructed famous double-stranded helical model of DNA based upon which scientist finding? Option A. Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkin. Option B. Hershey and Chase. Option D. Jacob and Monod. Option D. Averin McLeod. The correct answer is option A. Franklin and Wilkin. Then question number 93. TEM depicted in the schematic is used for prediction of the future status of ecosystem and the fluxes of carbon dioxide between the atmosphere and the land. TEM acronym stands for Terrestrial Environment Management, Terrestrial Ecosystem Model, Terrestrial Ecosystem Management, Terrestrial Evolution Model. Correct answer is Terrestrial Ecosystem Model. Then question number 94. Which of the following is an example of a biotic component? Biotic means living component. Option A soil, option B air, option C bacteria, option D sunlight. The correct answer is option C bacteria. Then question number 95. Terrestrial plants take up a huge amount of water daily, but most of it is lost to the air through evaporation from the leaves. That is option A turgid, option B diffusion, option C osmosis, option D transpiration. The correct answer is option D transpiration. For 96. What is the source of heat resistance enzyme Taq polymerase in PCR? Option A algae, option B virus, option C bacteria, option D fungi. The correct answer is option C bacteria. Then question number 97. A gene that masks the phenotypic effect of another gene is called an option A supplementary factor, option B complementary factor, option C epistatic gene, option D hydrostatic gene. The correct answer is option C epistatic gene. A gene that marks the phenotypic effect of another gene is called as epistatic gene. Then question number 98. A specialized parenchymatous cell which are closely associated with the sheep tube element is option A phloem fiber, option B phloem parenchyma, option C companion cells, option D bast fiber. The correct answer is option C companion cells. Then question number 99. Lichens are used as an indicator to detect the presence of carbon monoxide, option B carbon dioxide, option C hydrogen peroxide, option D sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is option D sulfur dioxide. Question 100. Gottlieb Haberland is known as father of this. Option A genetics, option B plant tissue culture, option C genetic engineering, option D plant physiology. Correct answer is option B plant tissue culture. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.